Buraanbur is a ritual dance. Idegestaya, hear me out. You guys go in a circle with drums playing and one of you guys steps in the middle. Kabacdi sidii ruuxaan qofka inuu ku jirto boboodaya. What does that sound like, bro? It sounds like a ritual dance. This case is hooyayaasha arkiisa buraanburaayo xaafadaha markay joogaan salaada kursi ku tukadaan. But when she is in that circle, she has a lot of energy. Energy xaku imaanaya. And you guys do this thing. Who are you guys calling? Wajiga qarsanaysiin lugaha dhulka ku qaracaysiin in like a pattern, like a Morse code. Who are you calling out? Ruhan, I think. Yeah, I'm just saying, don't shoot the messenger, bro. But I think Buraanbur is a ritual dance.
Assalamu alaikum, it's Mama Layla. We are talking about Buraanbur and spirituality, spirit of the ancient Somali, spirit of fertility, abundance, and joy. Yes, it is indeed a ritual dance. It's predated Islamic or Islam in the Somali coast. One thing I've seen personally, I've seen and I experienced women getting possessed right in front of my eyes. And by the way, this is only for women. And for non-Somalis who are listening to this is a Somali traditional dance that's normally it's like a ritual dance that's normally done. It's just like you see in this video. It's only for women, but also it is a calling for the spirit of fertility, spirit of the abundance, and the joy. I hope that helped. Yes, Soomaalida ogaada dadka Buraanbura waxa u wacaysaan ruuxaaniyad. Dumarka Soomaalida intooda badanna jinniga wuxuu ka galaa waa waxyaabaha. And when you get possessed, you would definitely feel it. You would definitely feel the rush of the spirit that possesses you. And a lot of time it comes with the drums, but also it predates the Islam. Like I said, they used to give offerings before. Due to the Islam, they stopped some of the old Buraanbur tradition, but I have seen there are some people still in the rural area of Somalia. They still practice the Buraanbur where they throw money to the person who's dancing, and they throw sweet drinks like Fanta or Coca-Cola or anything like that. It's an offering. They are offering it to the spirit of the fertility.